Well, here's a different type of intro for me. I am taking my 2013 FRS to finally get my Koenig oversteer wheels installed. They're 18x9 plus 40 offset, I believe. I am doing a 225/40/18 tire size. I know I can go wider. Well, if I had coilovers, I could go wider, but I don't have coilovers, at least not for probably a couple more years, unless I get some random money. So yeah, sticking with the stock, not stock, but sticking with the narrow tire still. Just putting my rims on, some lug nuts to go with them, and yeah, nothing overly exciting, but I feel she'll look a lot better. We all know what an FRS looks like with stock wheels, so I'm not gonna really do a pre and post, but I will show the after results. So hooray! I've only had the wheels sitting in my garage for like 6 months now, so I guess it's about time I finally do it. Anyway, let me know what you think once they come in. Yay! I take it back. Here's a quick video of what she looks like with the stock wheels. Why? Because I love the color. Hooray! Well, here's the final look. 18x9 Koenig oversteer. Just some cheap tires. Slight stretch because I'm still on stock suspension. But yeah, I think they look good. Let's get a quick look at the other side. First time I've ever bought new wheels. Usually I just buy cheap shit or whatever's on the car, because I usually don't have money. So yeah, she looks much better now. I am happy with this little upgrade. Can't wait till I get coilovers though. Okay, with that shown, that is the end of this video. Took way too long for the shop I went to finally get the tires installed, but they installed them fine. I used just cheap, god damn it, I'm gonna have to redo this. It's closed. Anyway. Okay, with that, this is the end of the video. Aside from the shop taking way too long to get my tires installed, I had called them earlier. They said they weren't busy. I got there, they didn't seem busy. But it took them like an hour and a half before they actually touched my car. And when you leave work to go get tires done at a reasonable pace, it's really kind of a buzzkill. But what can you do? The reason why I went with kind of a no-name tire, they were on sale for 51 bucks, and I know that my struts, I'll be replacing them at 50,000-60,000 miles. So I might hold off replacing the struts until I kill these tires, because then I'll get coilovers and I can get some, I think it's 245/35 or 245/30 R18s. We'll see when the time comes. I thought I'd gotten like a 42 offset, but I think these were 40 offset, and the rear sits freaking nice. I love it. The front, I think, has like a small amount of poke. So, yeah, I'm not a big fan of poke, but I think it looks good. Not the poke itself, but just the wheels and how everything's sitting on the car. So I've got no complaints. Overall, the car still handles about the same. Like, I can feel a few more things in the road, but overall, nothing that I'm going to lose any sleep over. Still feels good. Still enjoy driving the car. So yeah, that's the end of this video, and yeah, have fun. Bye-bye.